Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method for beginners. This fantastic technique is a powerful tool for artists of all levels, especially when you are just starting out. It helps you accurately scale and transfer any image onto your drawing surface, breaking down complex subjects into smaller, more manageable sections. You will find it incredibly useful for improving your observational skills and achieving precise proportions in your artwork. First, select the image you wish to draw and print it to your preferred size. Next, using a ruler and a light pencil, carefully draw a grid of equally sized squares directly over your reference photo. For instance, you might use 1-inch by 1-inch squares. This step is crucial for breaking down the image into smaller, more manageable sections, making the transfer process much simpler and more accurate. Now, on your drawing paper, create a corresponding grid. The number of squares on your drawing surface must exactly match the number of squares on your reference image. You can adjust the size of these squares to either enlarge or reduce your final drawing. For example, if your reference has 1-inch squares, you could draw 2-inch squares on your paper to double the size of your artwork. With both grids in place, you can begin drawing. Focus on one square at a time, carefully observing and replicating the lines and shapes you see in the corresponding square on your reference image. Move systematically across your paper, square by square, until your entire drawing is complete. Once finished, gently erase your grid lines, revealing your accurately proportioned artwork. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.